Good afternoon, everyone. Is my screen visible? No. Hello. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, say me. Have you people tried out uh this application? I mean, this part, and is it working like the way I have shown you,
Yes, ma'am.
or are you facing any error? Anyone facing any error?
Ma'am, I am clicking on
Hmm.
the place's name, but it's showing nothing after that.
It's showing nothing after that.
No, ma'am.
Have you
Just I'm
completed the
clicking.
file?
Yes, ma'am. I think so.
After that, have you run the code?
Okay, ma'am. I'm trying once again.
Check it out. Yes, who's else having any query?
Yes, ma'am. It's working now.
Okay. So I hope it's clear to you people how the entire process has been working. Yes or no?
But, ma'am, somehow the name of my app in the emulator has changed to bottom nav activity.
Your app name changes.
Yes, the in the app list, the name of the app has changed to bottom nav activity in the emulator.
So somehow you have changed the name. That's why
Uh-huh.
in the manifest
That is
file you have
because of the
changed the name.
manifest.
That's the way.
No, ma'am, it is
Yes.
the
So
same
you
for
have
me,
changed
ma'am,
the name.
because we have changed the intent filter. That's why it is coming like that.
No, if you change the intent filter, it won't come. It won't come like that until and unless you change it here.
No, no, ma'am.
How?
Actually, in my case also, and in many cases, it was coming like that in the previous class after the class ended. So we have to change something on the bottom nav menu. So after that, it will come as learn and fun. The intent part we have to like change it somehow. Like in my case also, it was coming as bottom nav.
It is still
But that
coming bottom
shouldn't
left
be.
for me. It is
Okay,
still coming.
whatever. Basically, we don't want bottom nav to be our launcher. So I would like to get back to the previous scenario. That is, our main activity will be the launcher activity, export true, and here it will be export false, and also self closing the tag. Delete the explicit close. So this is what you need to apply. And do one change. Delete the label from the bottom nav activity. Delete the label from the bottom nav activity. And within the place detail activity, add parent activity name. Add parent activity name to be bottom nav activity. So these are the changes. Please do it. My screen is hazy. Check it now.
Now it is okay.
After replacing the intent filter, what changes you made? Can you please repeat again?
Yes, these are the things. Just tally it out in your with your screen. I've added this line here against the place detail activity.
And what does the Android exported do?
Basically, this activity file will be means the what to say the activity file what will be represented to the operating system, which file to be represented as a launcher screen and uh, to your operating system to set the activity from the starting point. So we require the thing to be exported. I mean, this activity need to be exported as your launcher activity to set the life cycle of your application.
Okay, ma'am.
And you change the exported of main activity from false to true, right?
Because I have added the intent filter back over here.
The last one will be true, raised all or false, right?
Hmm. Done the changes, everyone.
1 second.
Ma'am, hello.
Hmm.
Ma'am, after logging in, when I'm clicking on any of the card, then my app is crashing. I don't know why.
Check it out in the Logcat. I hope there is some problem in the place detail activity, maybe
In my
mapping or
place still
something.
activity where we have
Hmm.
set that show location dot set text to place OBG, at
Hmm.
that page it's showing error. So that is the point.
Haven't you added the ID there? Check it out.
And on NetLine I've written that show location dot set text place OBG dot get location. And that ID also I've added that show name is equal to binding dot place name like that.
In your database, you have added the location.
Yes, ma'am, I'll look at it.
Yeah, added. It's showing as null. Just check it out what it's showing. Null in your Logcat.
Normal logcat is not showing anything. Nothing. It's empty.
No, it's showing that you couldn't understand. Share your screen.
What? So,
Everyone else have done this, have made the changes in the intent file like we had previously.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Amrit, share your screen.
yes, ma'am. Is it visible now?
Not yet. Hmm. Acha. Here your application. Okay. Show only selected application. Change it to no nothing selected. In the
What, ma'am?
bottom logcat right hand side it's showing a show only selected application.
Yes.
Change it to new filter.
Okay.
Now scroll up. Run the application once again. Just click on delete option in the logcat. Left hand side bin of delete option is there. Yeah, run the application once again.
Yes, this one.
Does it crashed again?
Just a minute. I'm logging in. Yes, ma'am. It crashed again.
Scroll down. Wait.
Yes. That's it.
Null object reference. Null object reference. Show type location. I think somehow get location is not yet set. It is.
In my Firebase.
Show me your place.java. We have location here. Shell location is getting null. Null object reference. In your Firebase, you have the location saved.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Location in all the places. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. But here it's not getting fetched up. Yes. Okay, move on to place adapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Scroll down. Place info, place details, place info navigation. Acha. Go on to place detail activity. Okay. Place detail activity.
Yes, ma'am.
Get intent, get realization extra. Place. ये place spelling mistake PLAC place हो गया है चेक करो
Okay, ma'am.
line number 29
39. Line number?
29 within argument place you have written place PACE instead of place. That's the mistake.
Sorry, ma'am. I didn't have to look at this.
Okay, not an issue. Yes, Ogneshwar.
My application name is showing as Android Learning on my real device. It is not coming as Learn and Fun.
Not coming as learn and fun. I'm sharing my screen again.
It's showing as Android Learning.
What it is showing over here in your manifest XML file?
Oh, yes. That needs to be changed.
Okay. Now let's move on to the next thing. I hope Amrit now it will work for your case.
Yes, it's working fine.
Mm. Now choosing the color combination. Let's now think about the styling effect and the colors and all. So for that, everyone open res and within that you have values. Within that you have colors.xml. Open that file. Values colors.xml. Values colors.xml. Hmm.
Can you please repeat what to do?
Open colors.xml file present within values. Just open that file, nothing else. Now open up color tools. Open up color tools. Material design.
After colors.xml, what to do?
Just open up that file and then I've given a link in the WhatsApp. Open up that link, that is color tool material design link I've given. Everyone check it out. You are getting this window
Yes, ma'am.
on opening that
Yes, ma'am.
link. Now see here some templates given of mobile UI and here the color palette has been given and even you can click select a custom color from here. So let me for the application let me choose the color combination of something based on white grayish type maybe. So I'm selecting this
Can I
one maybe
means raid or do something like that?
any color of your choice. Any color of your choice. Any color combination. So this is the color combination and with this contrast let me select a secondary color combination to be something something like this, something like this. Maybe this color combination I want to work with. Once you have chosen both the primary set of colors and the secondary set of colors, then let me know. The next I will show
Yes, ma'am,
you.
selected.
Okay. Everyone selected it? Confirm me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now get back to your colors.xml file. See, you have set of colors here. I'm going to delete all these colors except black and white. And then just delete all
We
the
will
set
also
of
keep,
colors
ma'am,
except
we will also keep black and
delete.
white.
Yes, except black and white. Delete all the set of colors. Now open a color tag. I'm showing you how you can add a new color. Open a color tag, give a name. Maybe the name I want to give based on this one. So like something like this, light white shade 1. Maybe I'm giving the name accordingly. You can give any name as per your own choice. As per your own choice, you can give any name. So I'll just copy and paste the I'll just copy and paste the shades. Now same thing, I'll just copy and paste the thing, and this time let me give as a gray color something. So I'll be giving over here gray, and then I'll copy the color code and I'll replace it here. So in this way you can replace the means give the color
And
combination
please, can
according
you repeat the last steps? How to that code where you had to copy?
copy from here. See the selected color you have done. From there you have the code. Just copy it, select and copy the code.
Okay.
Select and copy the
You
code.
have copied the primary one and you have copied the secondary also.
Both. Both I'm copying.
Ma'am, what about the codes that are showing on the bottom of both the light and dark?
Bottom,
On the light and dark, there are showing two separate codes for each.
you have to copy all the three codes. All the three color codes you have to copy.
Ma'am, primary, secondary, and which one?
Primary set of colors means the set of colors that will be applied on a primary code, and with that contrast the set of colors that will be applied as a secondary set of colors are known as the secondary colors.
Ma'am, we have to write color tags for all the 6 colors that are showing.
Yes.
Ma'am, you are giving extra gray both colors 700 and 800 like that. We have to
Actually,
give.
I have gray color. This set of colors are based on gray. So I just want to make the differentiation. So how come the shade of color shade I'm applying? Based on that, I have given the name so that I can distinguish between the colors. You can give like gray, medium, gray, darker, whatever way you want to recognize your color. Give any name. The name which you will be applying here, accordingly it will be effective. After you apply the colors in your colors.html file, then let me know.
Four shades you have to give, means gray, white, dark, all these.
Yeah, the way you want to means the colors that you want to use, that particular color said, I mean the color details you have to specify.
So in
Yes,
total,
or
there will be 8 tags in total.
accordingly there will be it.
Okay.
Yes, Auditro, what's your query? Auditro Shaha. Hello. Auditro, are you there? Auditro, do you have any query? So done, everyone. Completed writing your color codes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, listen to my words carefully. Nowadays, we in our mobile phone we find dark mode, light mode. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And according to our modes of our mobile phone, means the system mode, the application colors used to get changes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, same thing we need to affect over here. So for that, check it out. Below the values tag, you have a folder known as themes. Can you able to find it? Within themes, you have two files. One is theme.xml and another one is theme.xml night. Confirm me, every one of you are getting these two files or not.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all,
Can you check again, ma'am? After themes, clicking on themes, then
theme.xml, theme.xml night on expanding this folder. Theme.xml file means the default theme file that is basically subjected to your light mode. I repeat, theme.xml file refers to the light mode themes, that is your system themes. So now I'm going to
I'm
configure
having only themes. It's not expanding here.
only one file you're having.
Yes.
Which version of Android Studio you are using?
12.
Android Studio. Android Studio, which version you are using? Check it out in the about, which version of Android Studio you are using. Because in nowadays we used to get two XML files, two
Ma'am,
themes
I'm having
XML.
the same only. This one.
But you are having only theme, means theme folder you have, theme folder.
Yes, but it's written over there too. It's not expanding. I don't know why.
No,
Can I
expand
share
it.
my screen?
You are not expanding well. Yes.
Oh, yeah, got it, got it. Yeah. Having my, it's a hat. I'm having a glitch, that's why it's not coming.
Okay. So now, see over here, you people are having something like this. Theme dot material component dot
Yes, ma'am.
dark night dot dark action bar. Replace it by theme dot material component dot light dot dark action bar dot bridge. Choose it. Choose it. Theme dot material components dot light dot dark action bar dot bridge. Now over it, the primary color on primary color, I'm going to apply the color which I have used, that is gray. And red. And on its variant, gray.
Primary color will be the main big color that is showing in the primary section in the color tool.
Yes. Additively, I'm applying item name text color.
In the next primary variant and the primary, what we have to put, the light and dark.
Variant one, the darker one I'm putting, so that based on that the variant of this color can be applied accordingly as per the requirement.
The primary variant, the dark shade, and in the next primary, in the third primary,
This is color on primary, মানে প্রাইমারি কালারের উপরে যদি কোনো কালার্স থাকে সেটার কালার কি হবে সেটা বোঝাচ্ছে, মানে টেক্সচুয়াল বা কিছু যদি
Okay.
থাকে তার কালার কি হবে, তাই জন্য
will that
কালার অন
will you
প্রাইমারি.
keep it as black? Will you keep it as black?
According to my shades, I have used gray color, no? So that's why I'm choosing black. Otherwise, it won't be readable.
Okay, ma'am.
And depending on your color combination, what you have to use, you have to apply it accordingly.
This is for the text.
Yeah, a text or anything which is
Okay,
there
okay.
above the color sheets.
Ma'am, did you add that Android text color one?
Yes, I've added it.
The secondary colors, what you have done, can you please explain from in the three?
The
which one
next
you have?
set of colors, that was there in the as form of secondary, that set of colors I've applied over here.
And the secondary color that we have chosen, that one.
You have chosen two set of colors now. One is primary and another one is secondary set of colors. So the secondary set of colors which was there, from there which you want to apply as the variant and the main primary set. That is what I'm choosing here.
Yeah. We can put either the light shade or the dark shade in the variant. Either of the two.
It is recommended as the darker shade to be given so that according to that the variant can be applied. The variation of that
And
color
color
can
on
Okay, ma'am.
secondary part, we have to give a text color like that when we have made in the primary variant, right?
no, I'm not giving any text color, I'm just applying the
Achha.
color on secondary.
Can we keep the color on primary and color on secondary as the same color? Uh,
If you want, you can. Configured everyone?
yes, ma'am.
Now, theme.xml night one, that means the dark shade one, the night shade one. Now over here already we have dark night dark action bar. Put over here dot okay. After dark
And
action
can
bar,
you again show that themes XML file? Yes.
There are some extra coding lines in
Yes, I'm done.
themes.xml for extra lines after the status bar color. There are some extra lines.
here
Lines of code. Yes, ma'am. After that, there are some extra coding lines of code.
maybe due to your variation of Android, maybe it's coming, not an issue.
Style bar is there. Style bar tag is there.
Okay, you have this style bar tag. That's fine.
Style name, item name, and this is there.
Okay, not an issue. Are you having any error in those lines? Do
No,
you
ma'am.
have any? No, no. Then leave it as it is. Now
In the
there's
night,
one.
what you have to do in the night?
In the night, I have applied dot bridge. First of all, first change. In the parent theme, apply dot bridge. Then on colors on primary. Now listen everyone. The set of colors I have used here as a secondary, I will just use it as a primary set of colors, and the primary set in the lighter mode I'm going to use as a secondary color set. So this is what I'm going to do.
Can you please repeat what you said?
The primary set of colors that I've used in the lighter shade theme that I'm going to use as a secondary set of colors in the darker shade in the night mode, and vice versa.
Okay, ma'am. But ma'am, the Android text color will be in the first one only.
Text color applying here means it will be applied across.
After making it vice versa, we are still keeping the text color in the primary part only in the night XML file.
That means across the section, primary, secondary, whatever it is, the text color will be applied across wherever you type out, maybe here or maybe here. It will remain the same.
Okay, ma'am.
The sequence won't matter here.
Can you please show the first X themes file once again? Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Once every one of you will complete this up, then let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the next in the sign up and sign in screen, I won't, if you can remember, we are getting an app bar in the sign up and sign in screen. Just check it out in your device if you want to confirm it. You are getting the app bar, the title bar at the top of sign up and sign in screen. I don't want to keep that. Neither in night mode, neither in light mode. So what I'm going to do, I like to copy the entire thing. I'm copying the entire thing and then pasting here and then making the changes as dot no status. I'm just copying the same thing and applying no status like this. Same thing I like to do in the theme.xml file. Copy the entire style, paste it here again, and just name the thing as no status. Okay, understood. Done? Confirm me. Are you done or not?
Can you please show the night file?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
I'm getting an error in line number 26.
26.
Night theme XML.
Say what error you are getting?
No, actually, here in my code 26, I mean, the last line, Android status bar color.
Android status bar color. In theme.xml file or night? This one you're
Night
saying?
theme.xml. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. What error you are getting?
Actually, 9 errors it's showing.
9 errors, my goodness. I think you have written within that only. After style closing style tag, then you have to add the style. But where you have added it, check it out. I think you have added style within a style.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, now everyone done? Confirm me.
Yes, ma'am.
Others done. What happened? Done or not? Koina, Diksha, Abhijit, Aritro, Ankon.
Yes, I'm done.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Now open up manifest file. See where exactly the theme is applied. The theme is getting applied here. So within application, this is the theme that is controlling your entire app screens. But I want for the login screen and for the sign up screen, no app bar to be applied. So I will apply a theme over here where I'm going to write no status theme dot, oh sorry, @style no status. This theme I'm going to apply in these two places, which means that only for this two screen this theme will be applied. Let me show you. See, no, I've applied my no app bar. Oh, sorry. 1 second. One more change we need to apply. One more change we need to apply. Instead of no action bar, here it will be no app bar. No action bar. Next change, no action bar to be applied. Then we can see that no app bar is there. Definitely
Instead
we
of
need
dark action, bar, it will be no action bar.
no action bar. For the no status one. See, no thing. Checked. Everyone.
Ma'am, what are the changes? Can you show it again? In Android manifest, I was having an issue.
Theme in these two activities.
The last two, right?
Hmm.
It will be no action bar for the no status ones.
Yes.
And
Then you
for
can
the
find the
light and dark theme. Means both the theme types.
for both the yes, for both night and dark theme. Let me turn on the light theme settings. Let me turn on the dark theme.
But the color changed for the sign up and sign in screen. It changed. Previously it was purple by default, but now it changed.
Because we have made the changes, no? We had made the changes. Now see, can you see the dark color theme?
Yes, ma'am.
So both the color theme is getting applied. Now I guess colors. One sec. There's one secondary. Oops, wait. The color variant here, it has aqueous green type of thing. I'm refining my color combination.
And the secondary color is not showing in the app. The
secondary color is not showing, but in my case it's showing.
only the primary color is there.
But in my case, both the colors are effective.
Ma'am, my app is constantly crashing after that no action bar change I did.
Have you made the changes here and then in the manifest file?
Can you please
Ma'am, in
show
the
me the normal theme code and the manifest code? First,
This
you
is
show
the
that
manifest.
normal theme.
Just
ma'am, in the manifest I just had to write dot no status, right?
this one in the manifest file.
Yes, I wrote that.
Now I chose the secondary color as blue and the color on secondary as white, but only the primary red and black are coming. The background is still white. It is not changing to blue. It is only showing
Background
in
color.
red.
Have you changed the background color to white? I mean to blue. Ever have you stated it ever that background color will be blue?
No, ma'am, I mean only the red is showing in the app. The blue is not there.
With the red contrast, if the secondary color variant is effective is required, then only you can see it. No, otherwise how you can view it?
Okay.
Ma'am, Can you show me the in values and themes? Miss Noha, this line. Can you show me number 14? ETR. Acha. I'm having an error in tools. Line
Delete
number
that.
29.
Delete that.
So I will not be able to see the secondary color because the colors chosen are not contrasting or something.
Do the validations and check it out. Move on to the bottom navigation screen on logging in and signing in, and then check whether you are getting the two separate colors or not.
No, ma'am, I'm getting only the primary color.
Are you in the bottom navigation screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in the bottom navigation screen?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about in your sign up, sign in screen? What is the set of colors
So
showing there?
sign up, sign in also the primary color is appearing.
And in the fields, these fields and all, which set of colors are you getting?
The fields, normally it is black, but when I'm clicking on a particular field, it is showing the primary color.
And the typing on typing?
Typing, it is the normal black, which I gave as color on primary.
Just turn on your dark mode and check the variant.
Ma'am, can you change the shape of buttons?
Yes, we can. I'll be showing you. First of all, once you people have completed this part, then I'll
Yes.
show you something more.
Ma'am, I sent the picture of my home screen in the group. It is
And the contrast color is been gray because you haven't applied those things. Until and unless you apply those things. Who's this? Who is the next one who said?
Ma'am, it's mine.
I mean,
My
mine,
question,
it is just showing red.
what changes does it require? Uh, colors on primary. You have given colors on primary Parthiv.
Yes, ma'am.
What color you have given? White.
Color on primary is black.
In dark theme, In dark thing, what is this?
I mean, dark theme, the primary one color it is white.
That's the reason you are getting it white. And I guess it is your dark theme color because in the bottom I can see black it's appearing.
No, ma'am, I am using light mode.
Ma'am, it is appearing blue in my app when I'm switching to dark mode only. Apart from that, it is not showing blue. I just checked, and when I'm turning to dark
You need,
mode,
you
the
need
blue is
to
coming.
listen, everyone. You need to check the color contrast as per your requirement and then you need to set it. Colors on primary is a primary based variant of color which will be applied in your application. And against that variant, if any additional color variant need to be applied, then the secondary color variant will be applied. Otherwise, not.
How will we understand if it is needed to be applied the variant?
It will be means multi-color combination. Like in case of bottom navigation, we have the multi-color combination. Let me show you. So I hope these all things been done. So I'm moving on to bottom navigation.
And my app is not running.
Very good. Why it's not running? What changes you have made? Hmm? What
It is showing
happened?
error in Logcat.
Error in Logcat.
Yes.
Then means I mean check the error what you are getting.
I mean, my case that
Ma'am,
in the
ma'am,
dark
can
theme
you
everything
please
is proper,
show?
but the in light mode there is the same error. Like the icons and text are not showing. They're totally white or totally black with the background.
Ma'am, it will be helpful if you just send your both the themes text in group, WhatsApp group. We can check it from there. Like many of the lines are having issues and brackets, all that. So can you just copy paste both the codes, the themes, light theme and dark theme, and send it over the WhatsApp group? You can check it then after the class or something because it's not clearly that in the app. It's not visible clearly.
Also the color XML.
After checking the themes, what we have to do? The bottom nav.
Ishan, wait. Ma'am, the first one is for the light theme and the second one is for the dark theme, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ishan done.
Yes, ma'am. Done till the themes.
Done this one. You said now you want to apply the
Yes, ma'am.
secondary color. Just
Yes, ma'am.
apply it.
What to change? What to change? That's my
This
asking.
is what I am doing. In front of you, I'm changing the color. Check it out. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So check it out. This is the color combination which I am applying. Now, instead of this, if you want to make it floating or something like that, just wait. Just wait. Do not make the changes here. Let us do one thing. Everyone, move on to the drawable. Right click on your drawable folder. Right click on your drawable folder. Click on new and then drawable resource file. Click on new, then drawable resource file.
Can you please go to the activity bottom left once again?
You don't have to make any changes over there. Listen to my statement, what I'm saying. Click on drawable, right click, new resource file. Give a file name view underscore shape. Done up to here, everyone? Confirm me.
Yes, ma'am.
Then okay. Then okay. You must be getting a screen like this, everyone. Check it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Change selector to shape. Change selector to shape. Now give over here solid color as color secondary. Solid color as color secondary. Give a corners radius around 10 dp. Around 10 dp radius. Stroke color variant. Okay, that's it. Done.
The bottom left changes are not required.
First do this one,
This
then
is
only
done.
you can understand. Na?
And this is done. This is done.
So wait for the others to complete. Everyone done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, someone was asking me how to change the shape of a button, right? Who's that? I don't know. But someone was asking me, can we change the shape of the button? Now, open up your main activity.xml. Open up your main activity.xml. Acha, Amrit was asking me. Okay, open up your main activity.xml. Now in the button, add background, and the name I've given as view shape. Apply it. Now check it out. Is it getting added up? Now against this, text color need to be white. Let me specify it as white. Or maybe this. I'll leave it like this. Now same thing I'm going to apply in bottom navigation. In the bottom navigation against the background, I'm going to apply view shape. Now check it out everyone. Let me apply a padding here. Padding. Right padding to be 10 degrees. Left padding to be 10 degrees. Bottom padding to be 20 degrees. And top padding maybe 5 degrees.
I mean, activity main changes. Can you show on say?
Oh, just a second.
Now can you open the view shape?
This is the thing I've applied padding to it. Done everyone?
I mean, between activity main and view shape, you made one more change in some file. Can you please show that part once again?
You people have completed this file changes. Confirm me that first. Everyone. Now, this file you are getting the effect accordingly. Getting the effect accordingly. Just check it out. Are you getting the effect accordingly or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now open your activity bottom nav.xml file. Open your activity bottom nav. Acha, okay, delete the padding. Padding is not required. For padding, the thing is getting wrong. Padding is not required. Delete the padding. It will be as it is. Now here, I'll just like to apply layout margin of 10 dp. Now find the effect. Find the changes.
Ma'am, I'm getting the white place as gray page.
White place as gray page. White, this white you are getting as gray.
Yes, ma'am.
Over here, have you changed the theme to not night or night? Check it out. If you have checked it as night, might be getting as gray.
Yeah, I'm getting like this.
Yeah, because it is checked as night mode on. Select as not night. Selected.
So are we choosing the primary color here?
Which primary color? I'm choosing such a color that will be contrast with it. Now it's up to you. Which one you will like to contrast, make that contrastable color. Based on your color combination, you have to set the color. It's not that whatever color I'll be stating, that color only you have to use throughout. That color only you have to use throughout. Please check your color as per your requirement, as per your choice. It's completely based on your chosen color. If you are done with this changes, let me know. Then I'm going to show you the other thing. One more change which I'm going to apply in place details. Any question, anyone?
No, ma'am.
So whatever the changes you have done now, are you getting that effect in your application? Please check it. Run your application and check whether you are getting those effect or not. Shall I proceed further? Now, one thing I'll like to mention here, I've mentioned the radius of 15 dp. If you increase the radius more, you are going to get the effect accordingly in the positions where you have applied this drawable file. You are going to get the effect accordingly. Now I would like to show you the profile screen one, because that is the part we are left with. So once you are done, let me know. So I'll show you the profile screen part. Anyone having any error in your file at moment? Any of you? All the files are running properly? Confirm me first.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abhijit. Others? Amrit, all the files are running properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ogneshwar, all the files are running properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Ankon,
Yes, ma'am.
Aritrapal?
Ma'am, if we
Hmm.
use the logout button, then
Hmm.
there should be a dialog box come or it will directly log out.
No, we have done the dialog box part.
No, if we click on the logout button now, it is directly coming out of there.
But we have applied the logout one. Na? For the logout, we have applied the dialog box.
Yes, it
For
was working before, but after changing that, what we did
changing what?
previously, what we did before
But
after
uh,
doing
but
that.
I haven't but I haven't changed anything here. I kept it as dialog only. I didn't make any changes in this part. It will behave as in dialogue. It won't behave like anything else. Have you made any changes?
It is suddenly showing error in the logout fragment type. I think if I rewrite it, then it will be okay.
Just check it out. I haven't made any changes. Whatever change we have done, based on that dialogue only we have made the changes. That was based on the dialogue only we have
Yes,
made.
ma'am, I am running it.
Okay, Parthiv, is the app running?
Yes, ma'am.
Niladri, Debopriyo,
Yes, ma'am.
whatever changes we have done, everything is
Yes,
working.
ma'am, now it's okay.
Okay, fine. Aritra, Dia, Lisa, Ipshita, Koina, Neha, Diksha, Anurag.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, let me close all this. Let me open up the profile one. Now, for the profile one, we need to make the change. So, dashboard must be changed to profile. So, I'm going to right click on the fragment dashboard. I repeat, everyone, please concentrate. Right click on the fragment dashboard. Click on refractor and then rename. Fragment dashboard to fragment profile, fragment underscore profile, everything must be in lowercase. Click on the checkbox and then click on
Ma'am, after fragment dashboard, then
right click on fragment dashboard, refractor, rename. Change the name to fragment profile. Click on the checkbox, click on refractor. You will find the changes will take place. Additively, okay. Now open up this file. Delete the text view that you have over here. Open up the file. Delete the text view that you have over here. Done, everyone, up to here? Confirm me. Are you done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now expand the Java folder. Within that you have the first package, your working package. Within that you have the UI folder. Expand it. Now you have the dashboard package. Right click, refractor, rename. Make it profile. Click on the both check boxes, then refractor. The process that we have followed in the last class for renaming that notification to logout, same process I am following today. Now within profile you have dashboard fragment, right click, refractor, rename. It will be profile fragment, refract. Changes done in my case. Once all of you complete up to here, let me know. Then I'll show you what changes you need to make in your profile fragment.java file. Done up to here? Everyone must be getting error in this profile fragment.java. Yes or no?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
getting error?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first of all, expand imports, delete this line. Expand import, delete this line. Then change over here to fragment profile binding. Fragment profile binding. Same here, fragment profile binding.
কোন
And
লাইনটাকে রিমুভ করতে বললেন একবার বলবেন?
fragment dashboard binding related line in the import section.
Okay. Yeah.
And then here and here, wherever you have fragment dashboard binding, change it to fragment profile binding. Now delete this text view and the dashboard view model line. Delete the text view and the dashboard view model line. Okay, done. Now let's get back to fragment profile.xml. I'll make some certain changes here. Are you there? Shall I show?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Are you done? Shall I show?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here I'm going to apply two things. One is I'm going to apply relative layout with match parent height to 50 dp, providing width as relative design explicit clause, where I'm specifying start constraints to the parent, end constraint to the parent, and top constraint to the parent. So you'll find the error will be gone. So this area, let me give a color to this. Now below this relative layout, I'm applying linear layout with match parent height 0 dp, background color to be gray. Bottom orientation vertical, bottom to bottom of parent, top to bottom of relative design, start to start of parent, end to end of parent, explicit close. So this is the thing. I hope the area you can differentiate between the area. Let me give an elevation of 12 dp. Okay, just a second. 1 second, everyone. Let me make a change. Let me make a change. Do not do. Acha, everyone has made these changes, right? Completed this much, Semi, first of all.
No, ma'am, little bit left.
Little bit left. Acha, how much left? Are you applying the constraints? Then leave
Yes.
it. Do not apply the
Yes,
constraint.
ma'am.
Leave it.
Okay.
Do not apply the constraint. I'll make certain change. Let us change the constraint layout to relative layout at the top only. Just make it at the top so in that case, just make it at the top. So in that case, you don't require the constraints to be applied. You can remove out of the constraint. Just specify over here below.
Ma'am, can you
Not
scroll up a bit?
Means I'm changing constraint layout to relative layout and deleting the constraints from its children.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Done this changes, everyone. See, this changes, when you make this changes, automatically the closing tag will change up to relative layout.
Ma'am, this is the fragment layout, right? Sorry, profile fragment. This
Hmm.
but
Fragment
it's
profile.
showing red in my when I am changing the context from dashboard to profile.
Hmm.
That in tools, it is showing
Hmm.
red over there.
Red. Now you will get red because it is not rendering at present, so it will get an error.
And please scroll down a bit.
Hmm. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, for this area, actually, I would like to have a design, have a shape. So, in the drawable, right click on the drawable. Right click on the drawable, new, and then drawable resource file. Right click on the drawable, new, then drawable resource file. Give a file name as profile underscore shape. Maybe profile underscore shape. Adding a shape widget. Oh, sorry. Change the selector to shape. Change the selector to shape. Corners. Radius top left 20 dp. Top right radius 20 dp. Self closing the stack. Let me give a gradient. Let me show you how gradient works. Start color. Any color. Center color. I like to give an angle of 45. It will be multiple of 45. Accordingly, you can provide the angles. Let me delete the center color. That's it. Once you are done, then let me know. You had the profile fragment, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the folder name is also profile.
Hmm.
I mean, the package name is profile.
Yes, ma'am.
Still, you are getting this error. Then one thing, just rebuild your project once. Rebuild your project, it will be easier. Ask the Chetri present. Please give your attendance. In the meantime, if people are doing, give your attendance. Abhijit, Aditya Kumar Jha,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Raj, Ahana Datta, Aditya Raj absent. Ahana Datta,
Ma'am, Aditya Raj present.
अच्छा.
Actively.
Ahana Datta, Oishani Dhar, Oishani, Akash Bhattacharjee,
Yes, ma'am, present.
Akash Gupta,
Yes, ma'am, present.
Aman Das, Aman, Ambor Vishwas absent. Amrit Raj,
Yes, ma'am, present.
Anik Chaudhary, Aniket Pramanik,
Yes, ma'am.
Aniket Salija,
Present, ma'am.
Aniruddha Sen,
Present, ma'am.
Anish Sharnakar, Anish absent. Anjali Kumari,
Present, ma'am.
Ankan Shadhukan,
Present, ma'am.
Ankit absent. Anturip Shaha, Anturip, Anita Mukherjee, Antika, Antika Mukherjee, Anurag Chakraborty,
Present, ma'am.
Anurag Das,
Present, ma'am.
Anushmita Roy,
Present, ma'am.
Anubhav Pal, Ornesha Biswas,
Present, ma'am.
Apurva Nag,
Present, ma'am. Anturip Shah.
Anturip. Okay.
Ma'am, Anish Varnakar present.
Ma'am, Ontika Mukherjee present.
Ontika, I marked you. Which name you said? Who's that?
Anish Varnakar, ma'am.
Anish.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Aditya Raj present.
Ma'am, Oshani Dhar present.
One second. Anish. Acha, Anish.
Ma'am, hello. Aditya
Yes.
Raj present, ma'am.
Aditya, I marked you.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Ma'am, Oshani Dhar.
Oishani. I marked you. Argho Ghosh,
Present, ma'am.
Arghodeep Sarkar,
Present, ma'am.
Arithro Pal,
Present, ma'am.
Arithro Rana, Arithro Rana, Arithro Shaha,
Present, ma'am.
অর্কপ্রভু সাতরা,
Present, ma'am.
অর্কপ্রভু ধর, অর্কপ্রভু ধর, অর্পণ বিশ্বাস,
Present, ma'am.
অর্পণ কুমার দাস,
Present, ma'am.
অর্পণ কুমার শীল, অর্পণ কুমার শীল,
Present, ma'am.
অর্পণ মাইতি, অর্পণ মাইতি, অয়ন্ত দে, ঐশী মান্না,
Present, ma'am.
বাপ্পাদিত্য মাইতি,
Present, ma'am.
বিভাষণ পোদ্দার,
Present, ma'am.
বিশ্বরাজ ভট্টাচার্য, বিশ্বরাজ
Present, ma'am.
ভট্টাচার্য,
Present, ma'am.
বিবেক সামন্ত,
Present, ma'am.
চয়ন ঘোষ,
Present, ma'am.
দত্তত্রিয় বোস,
Present, ma'am.
দেবজ্যোতি দাস,
Present, ma'am.
দেবপ্রিয় ঘোষ,
Present, ma'am.
দেবদীপ সিং, দেবদীপ,
Present, ma'am.
দীক্ষা,
Present, ma'am.
দীপায়ন
Present, ma'am.
মন্ডল,
Yes, ma'am.
দীপ্তনীল বিশ্বাস, দীপ্তনীল বিশ্বাস, দিব্যেন্দু দাস,
Present, ma'am.
দিবাকর কুমার ঝা,
Present, ma'am.
দিয়া মিত্রা, প্রেজেন্ট ম্যাম, গৌরব কুমার,
Present, ma'am.
ইন্দ্রনীল পাতি, ঈশিতা দে,
Present, ma'am.
ইন্দ্রনীল অ্যাবসেন্ট না, ঈশান অগ্নেশ্বর ব্যানার্জি,
Present, ma'am.
কয়লা পাল, লিসা রয়,
Present, ma'am.
লিজা রয়,
Present, ma'am.
মৈত্রয়া দে,
Yes, ma'am.
মোহাম্মদ আরিফ আফতাব,
Present, ma'am.
মোহাম্মদ মইউদ্দিন,
Present, ma'am.
মিন্টু কুমার,
Present, ma'am.
মনোজিৎ হাজরা,
Yes, ma'am.
মমিতা মন্ডল,
Yes, ma'am. Present.
নেহা মাঝি,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
নীলাদ্রি দে,
Present, ma'am.
নির্ঝর মল্লিক,
Present, ma'am.
পার্থ সারথী বেরা,
Yes, ma'am.
পার্থিব দে সরকার, প্রভাত
Present,
রঞ্জন,
ma'am.
প্রভাত absent.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, my name is Aritra and I am present.
অরিত্র,
Aritra Rana.
আচ্ছা,
Madam, Orphan might be present.
Ma'am, Momita Paul present.
মাকে মমিতা,
Ma'am, Diptonil Vishwas present.
Ma'am, is Momita Paul, not Mondal.
Madam, Orphan might be.
অর্পণ মন্ডল, সরি মাইতি,
Might be.
অর্পণ।
Yes, ma'am. Orphan might be.
প্রেজেন্ট। আর কে বললে? অয়ন্ত দে প্রেজেন্ট, অয়ন্ত, অর্কপ্রভু ধর,
Ma'am.
অর্কপ্রভু প্রেজেন্ট, ধর প্রেজেন্ট,
Yes,
অরিত্র রানা প্রেজেন্ট,
Orko Thor present.
Yes, ma'am, Aritra present.
অয়ন্ত দে,
Ma'am, Momita Paul.
ওকে, ইন্দ্রনীল পাতি,
Ma'am, Diptonil Vishwas.
I marked you.
Ma'am, Momita Mondal also present.
দীপ্তনীল বিশ্বাস প্রেজেন্ট,
Okay.
মৌমিতা
Mitra present.
প্রিয়া, Diya Mitra. I marked you, Diya.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ahona Datta present, ma'am.
I marked.
Ahona Datta. Okay.
I marked.
Ma'am, Moumita Mondal present.
I marked you, Momita.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, when can we get the recording? Any project is just around the corner and it will be beneficial.
Tomorrow is the last date
এই
of your
প্রোফাইলে আমার
training.
এখনো রেড দেখাচ্ছে, তো যখন উপরে ক্লিক করছি তখন বলছে যে
You need to
it is
create the
already
class.
created, the class is already created.
একটা কাজ করো, লাইনটাকেই ডিলিট করে দাও, নট it won't be an issue.
ম্যাম
I'm
কনটেক্সট
present,
লাইন
but
ডিলিট
you
করে দিলে কোনো
didn't
প্রবলেম
call
হবে না?
my name.
Abhijit, I called your name, but you didn't reply, so I marked you present.
Okay, ma'am.
ম্যাম কনটেক্সট লাইন ডিলিট করে দিলে কোনো প্রবলেম হবে না তো?
কোনো অসুবিধে নেই।
আমি ডিলিট করে দিয়েছি, ঠিক আছে।
আচ্ছা, now in the linear layout for the background, just apply profile shape. Apply profile shape for the background.
Ma'am, Huinapal present.
Poinapal present, I marked you present.
Okay, ma'am.
Now in the linear layout, just put a line bottom.
ম্যাম চেঞ্জটা কোথায় বলে একটু দেখা, কালারটাকে শুধু প্রোফাইল শেপ দিলেন তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ
লিনিয়ার
হ্যাঁ
লেআউটে
হ্যাঁ
শুধু
হ্যাঁ 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 this one. Now let me add over your text view. Or rather, instead of text view, let me add over your edit text. Just a second, next second. Let's do one thing. Let's cut this line and add it here. Do this one.
Ma'am, what? We have tried fragment profile.
Wait, within the fragment profile, the relative layout that we have added as a child, delete that. Just add only the linear layout. Only add the linear layout. Only add linear layout. Hence the root will be the relative layout with height, background color, put it over there. And over here, the linear layout.
Just wait, okay? I'm to write the code.
Everyone check it out in the WhatsApp group. I have provided a link for circular image view. I've given a link for circular image view. in the WhatsApp group.
Yes, ma'am. Can you show the edit text part?
Not edit text, just add as a text view. Not edit text, add as a text view. And add padding 20 dp here. Add padding 20 dp here. Let's add a button here.
The style is showing in red.
Hmm?
The style in the text view, it is showing in red.
Style in text view. Why it shouldn't be? Have you applied style again? Means twice you applied. Then you must be getting it.
And my style is also coming red.
I'll over here you are getting style to be red. Means on writing style
Yes,
or
ma'am.
on this particular headline medium.
Ma'am, that particular headline. Headline medium.
And
No,
there is
full
material
line is
components
coming.
headline 3, but no headline medium.
Then apply
Yes,
headline
yes.
3. Then apply headline 3.
Headline 3. Okay.
Hmm.
Actually, it is coming up to material 3.
Then apply this one. Material component. You have material component. Body or caption, something like that. Try out or headline 1. Apply this headline 3 or 4. Apply it accordingly.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Achha, let me increase the size around 300. Now within this area, done this one, then I'll show you about this area, or other I'll show this area tomorrow.
What did you change in linear layout?
Linear layout, these are the things we have changes. We have added these things.
Ma'am, you made 300 something you said.
Oh, height. Not height, sorry. Margin top 300 dp instead of 250.
Button part you have added right now after text view.
Only one button. Acha, in the WhatsApp group, check it out, everyone. I have given a dependency link to get a circular image view. Add this dependency in your Gradle file, build.gradle file, like the way we have added the Picasso one. Similarly, you have to add this
Ma'am, this string update profile, it's showing in red.
because I have extracted update profile in the extract string. I have done it.
Ma'am, there are 3 options coming: override resource.
And type out update profile in the text and then extract it in the string resource file, like the way we used to do it for the other
Oh,
text.
yes. This is not a resource file now. Okay.
No.
Can you please show how to add the implementation line in the Gradle again?
Copy that. First of all, copy that line. Copy the implementation.
Yes,
Then open up build.gradle file, the second one, which is written as module 1.
yes, ma'am.
Then scroll to the dependency section.
Yes, ma'am.
Now within the pair of curly braces, you have the other implementation lines. Over there, any of the place add the newer one. On adding, you will get sync now option at the top. Click on the sync now. Click on the sync now to sync your application. This is the way how you can add external dependency to your application.
Can you repeat the process?
For adding a new dependency, copy the implementation line from your library, from your given sources. After copying that implementation line, open your build.gradle file, the second build.gradle file, which is written as module build.gradle file. Open that file, scroll to the bottom of the file to get into the dependency block. Within the dependencies block, add the implementation line that you want to add anywhere within that block. On adding, you will get sync now option. Click on the sync now option to get the effect. Clear?
So, ma'am, can you screen share your this Android Studio, and can you just show me the emulator from when it's running?
Yeah,
Running.
I just stopped my emulator. Acha, what you need to see actually say?
No, actually, the color and everything. I'm just wanted to see it. That what's showing actually, because I haven't run yet.
From the installed one, I can show that. This is for the dark mode. Since I've enabled the dark mode, that's why. If I turn out the dark mode, this is the screen. This is the view which I'm getting. See, this is the secondary colors. I don't know why. Who's that? Ishan was saying I'm not getting secondary color. See, this is the secondary color. I'm getting both the colors effect.
I'm getting the secondary color when I'm switching to dark mode.
No, you can see the this is the primary color over the secondary color, because the secondary color in my case was gray and I'm getting that secondary color here. I'm getting that effect.
Ma'am, after this, after sign up, then after this page.
After this page, I will just move on to the sign-in screen, I guess, because here
I want to see the home page. I want to see actually the home page.
you want to see the home page.
Hmm.
We'll move on to the my login screen. I need to run the application in that case. Okay, tomorrow I'll show you, because I in between login screen I haven't done that thing. I've just written the code. Nothing is happening against the login screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow I'm going to share with you the APK file also. I'll complete up the profile section, because the profile section only left with us, right? So I'll show you the profile section and then I'll complete up the code, and we'll show you how you can generate the shareable APK file. And those who are asking for the recording links, tomorrow is your last class. Then after that, you are going to get the recording link. Jeet sir will share with you the recording links. Okay, thank you everyone. Let's end the meeting over here for the day.
Thank you.